Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Lily, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. So first of all, tap on the Instagram icon to launch the app. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the hamburger menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Account Center. Now tap on Personal Details. In here, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now choose the second option, that is Deactivation or Deletion. As we want to deactivate the Instagram account, so tap on your Instagram account. If you wish to temporarily deactivate your account, then tap on the first option, that is Deactivate Account, and then tap on Continue. Now for security purpose, you will have to enter your Instagram password and then tap on Continue. Now Instagram will ask you your reason for deactivating your Instagram account, so choose your reason and then scroll down and tap on Continue. Now confirm your deactivation and tap on Deactivate Account. Therefore, your Instagram account will now be deactivated.